Hi there everyone, welcome back again to iPad Essential. In this video, we will talk about the latest change in Notability. Notability just took the note-taking experience to a whole new level with their latest feature, which is Notability Learn. Imagine your notes being automatically summarized and turned into quizzes to help you to study smarter or harder. And it's not about study, it could be any kind of notes where you would like to quickly summarize it. This new feature harnesses the power of generative AI to transform Notability into even more intelligent app, making it more than just a place to write. It's now, I would say, a learning companion. So let's dive in and see how this works. For that, let me take you to my iPad screen. And there we go. We are now in our iPad screen. And let me open Notability app. And here we go. And here you can see some of my notes that I have created. So let's start with this first note. And after opening any note, what we need to do here is we need to click on this new icon that you can see. So this icon is of this new capability being added. So let's click on it. And as soon as you click on it, it will start creating a summary of it. And I can see here the crisp and clear summary of my notes that I have created around this particular topic. And I can see almost all the area being covered inside this Notability Learn. And not only you're gonna get this summary, but you also can create quiz to further enhance the topic that you have covered. For that, you can click on generate quiz, since in past I already have created quiz. So that's why I'm seeing this resume quiz option. But you will see some kind of option. And then here we can see, this is how this quiz look like. There is a question, and then there are multiple choices. You need to select which choice is correct. Seems like this one I answered it correctly. And then you also getting option of liking or disliking it, which is really nice. And seems like here you can also provide feedback for the kind of question that is being created by this Notability Learn. So I liked it actually. And then I'm gonna click on next. And this time I actually answered it wrong. And here, not only it shows you that you answered it wrong, but it also talk about, oh, this is the correct answer, not this one. Okay. And then in a similar way, here we can see 10 questions being created. And now let me click on retry so that I can show you how it look when answering it. So here I can see a question, and then I need to choose the answer. So I chosen this time correct answer. So it shows me that, oh, this one is the correct answer, and that's all. Now here we are seeing another question. This time let me choose the incorrect answer. And there we go. So when I chose the incorrect answer, it also shows me which answer is correct. Unfortunately, as of today, there is not too much of customization available in terms of number of questions you want, or let's say you would like to customize it. So that is not available as of now. But I would say this Learn tool is still in a beta phase. So this could be the reason why there is not too much of customization. But we would like to see more customization, a more possibility with this Notability Learn. And apart from that, let me also talk about some of shortcomings with Notability Learn. So the first one is it requires enough context to summarize. So if I open any notes where there is not too much of information available, for example, here, new ideas. So here I can see there is not enough information. So if I click here on this Notability Learn, it may not able to summarize it. And it also says that this does not contain enough content to generate study material. So this is also the thing. So you need to have enough content so that it understands the context and can create the study material for you. And if we talk about the version from where you will start seeing these AI powered features, and also in order to assess these Notability Learn feature, you need to make sure that your Notability version is greater than 14.9.14. And that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential to follow more such tips and tricks related to iPad. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.